Okay, time to correct a huge injustice. Last year, I got pipped to the PMO of the Year award by the government of Montserrat, which I was reminded of again recently. Well, today APM have announced their finalists for the 2021 APM Project Management Awards. Okay, PMO of the Year. Choose your ticket. No, not going. I don't need to go. They're going to pay for me to go there so they can give me my award. Transformation Project of the Year. Engineering, Construction and Infrastructure Project of the Year. Social Project of the Year. Young Project Professional of the Year. Suppose I might be eligible. Project Professional of the Year. Well, no. PMO of the Year. Here we go. This is the category that counts. The finalists are Peru Reconstruction with Changes PMO. Client Services PMO BT. P2 Selfridges PMO at P2 Consulting. Scottish Water PMO. Virgin Atlantic PMO. Now, there must have been a mistake again. They've done it again.
Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright.
How much longer can this injustice continue?